Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. This is 5th video on angles. For the rest of the videos, you can find the link in the description. This series of video is covering all the concepts of 11, which is required for year 7 and year 8 students. So let's see, it is about triangles now. So what is triangle? It is a shape which has 3 sides and 3 angles. All of you know this thing, right? But triangles are classified according to their length and sides. Now what does it mean? The name of the triangle is different based on what is the length of their sides and what is the angle in the triangle. So let's see one by one. So first one is Scalene triangle. Do you know what is Scalene triangle? Scalene triangle is one which has all different angles and all different sides. So description you should know, you should be able to define, only then you will be able to apply the properties. So all the sides, for example, if I see this side, this one, why did I write 3 different symbols? Because the length is different and angles XYZ are also different. That's why it's called Scalene triangle. Then comes, remember the name, isosceles triangle. What do you know about this? Isosceles triangle is the one in which 2 sides are same and 2 angles are equal. So here if you see, I have used this symbol. It means if these 2 sides are same, then angle opposite to them will be same. For example, if I draw a triangle, isosceles triangle like this, right? And I say that this side is equals to this side. Then which angles are equal? The angle opposite to this side is here and angle opposite to this side is here. So these angles are equal. Now if these angles are equal, it simply means if this is suppose 30, then this is also 30. Right? This is called isosceles triangle. What is the next one? Equilateral triangle. Do you remember what is equilateral triangle? It is the one in which all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. Right? So single sign mean on the side, single line mean they are all equal. Here I can write single sign also, or I can write double. This is just an identification. So now you know what is scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. One more which I have not written here just for you, which is what? Right angle triangle. And what do you know about right angle triangle? In which one of the angle is 90 degree. Okay. So now angle properties of triangles. That also you should know. So let's see the first property which I'm sure all of you know. That is, if you add up the sum of the angles, it will be equals to 180. So if I have here 3 angles, for example 50, 55, I can find this also. I will add them up. Minus from 180, I will get this. Right? So angles in a triangle add up to 180. One more property here. Now this is very important. The exterior angle. Now which one is exterior angle? This one. Let me use this color. This X. This is called exterior angle. And it is equal to what? Sum of the opposite interior angle. These are called opposite interior angle. And it is what? Sum. It means X, which is exterior angle, equals to sum of the interior opposite angle. So for example, if I draw a triangle here, like this, okay, and I ask you, what is this exterior angle? And suppose I have given you interior angles, right? Suppose this is 45 and this is 35. Then what is this angle? X is simply 35 plus 45. Let me make a little bigger because X is not acute angle. So I should increase this side. Suppose let me take 55 and let me take 45. Right? So it will be 110. Now that makes sense. Okay. So now you know two properties of the triangle. Angles in a triangle add up to 180, and exterior angle is equals to sum of the opposite interior angle. Let's solve this question. The properties you have learned, think about it. If I look at the triangle ABD, this one, I can't, because only one angle I know, which is 90 degree. So this will not help me. So I have to solve it different. Okay. So I will see the triangle ACD. Now if I look at the triangle ACD, one angle is 25, other is 40, x I don't know. So in this triangle ACD, I can apply sum of the angle property of triangle. 25 plus 40 plus x is equals to 180. This is 65 plus x equals to 180. So I can easily calculate it. What is 180 minus 65? Do you remember? If you don't, you can subtract like this, or you can do mental maths, right? 115. So x is 115. Now what should I do? Remember the property. Yes, this is a straight line, CDB. So this angle equals to 180. So if I know one of the angle x, which is 115, y I can calculate easily. Why? Because x plus y equals to 180. And x I have just found 115. So to find out y, I can simply do 180 minus 115. Agreed? So 65. So this angle is 65 and that angle is 115. Now z is very easy to calculate. Again I will apply the property sum of the angles in a triangle. One angle is 90, one is 65. Add them up, minus from 180, you will get z, right? Let's see another question. This one. So at a glance, does it look easy or difficult to you? How will I find out x? Now, I don't know this angle. I know only one angle. So if somehow I can find this angle, then question will be easy. You know why? Because then in a triangle, I can add up the three angles and put it equals to 180. So the problem is how to find out this angle A. I told you in the previous video, if two straight lines are crossing and making x, then opposite angles are equal. These. And what it is called? Vertically opposite angle. So this is 56. Okay. Now x is easy to calculate. You can add up 56 and 68. Whatever the answer will come. Minus it from 180 and you will get x, because sum of the three angle equals to 180 in a triangle. Let's see this last question. I have to find out x. So do you think it's an easy question or difficult question? And the meaning of these two lines here, that they are equal. If they are equal, it means it is an isosceles triangle. And in the isosceles triangle, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So this angle is equals to this angle, right? Make sense? What we will do next? I know angle at a point equals to 360. If I look around this point, this whole thing is 295. If I minus it from 360, it means this angle is 65. Yes or no? Angle at a point, property. And this is also 65. After this, I can apply the property of angle sum in a triangle, because now these angles are in the triangle ABC. So I can do x plus 65 plus 65 equals to 180. I hope you understand this. So after this I will minus it and I will get my answer. So I got my answer. I hope you understood. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.